Hey guys, welcome back to the first assignment of this project. Okay, so as in the last lecture, I told you that I will give you one issue in this project that I made for you to solve and one feature that we need to implement. Okay, so let's talk about the issue first. Okay, so what the issue you can see here that if you look at this index page, you can see that we have total companies 1001, remote jobs of 502 jobs, and on-site jobs 498 jobs. Okay, so the issue here is the typo. So here you can see that we have on SIGST jobs. That means we have wrong spelling for the on-site. It should be here, like you can see ONSITE. Okay, so thing is that we need to fix this typo. Okay, so this typo is not only need to be fixed from this index page only, it needs to be fixed across all the application and across the existing records as well. Okay, so now let me show you. So here you can see that you can see on-site jobs here, and when you click on this, the request is go with to the jobs controller with a parameter, and the parameter spelling is also on site. Okay, so you need to fix this spelling from here as well. Okay, and if you look at the controller, sorry, first let's talk about the seed file. Okay, so if you look at the seed file, you will see that job location I provided remote and on site. Okay, so what you need to do here, you need to fix this on site here as well. And since you run the seed file, okay, since you run the seed file, you need to so it created some records in the database for the job model. Okay, and it must have saved the job location as on site for them. Okay, so what you need to do, that you need to fix this on site job location in the existing records as well by typing it ONSITE. Okay, and now let me take you to the jobs controller. Okay, so here jobs controller, and here you can see I'm sending params type. Okay, and in the job model what I have, that if you go to the model and the job model, you can see that I have two scope, remote jobs and on-site jobs. Okay, so you need to fix the typo here as well. Okay, so the point is that you need to fix typo everywhere. So what you need to do, or how you should approach this issue, that first go through the application. Okay, and then search for the on-site by ONSIGST, that the mistaken typo. Okay, and then fix it with the correct spelling of the on-site. Okay, and then test your application, then whether this is working or not without doing that. Okay, for example, let's say if I talk about the fixing the issue. So let's fixing the typo. Okay, because I'm seeing the typo at the index page in my application, so ONSIGST here. So let's say if I just casually look around it, so what I will do, that I will go to the home controller index section. Okay, and here you can see what I did, on site jobs. So I will simply provide on-site jobs. Okay, and if I go to the browser and refresh the page, so here you can see the typo has been fixed for the index page. Okay, but when I click on this, this is not fixed. Okay, and now let me try to fix this typo as well. So what I will do here, that I will just make it on site. Okay, and now let me go to the index page again, and now let me click on this. Okay, so now I will get the error. Okay, why? Because what I'm doing here, ONSITE jobs. Okay, that means I'm calling a send method in the jobs controller. So let's go to the jobs controller. Sorry, let's click it, close it, go to the jobs controller, and here you can see what I'm saying, that job dot includes company dot send params type. So in params type, what it is on site. Okay, and what I'm providing here, jobs. So it is just using this scope, on site scope. So I need to fix it here as well. Okay, and if I fix this, and then I need to fix on site here as well. And for fixing this, sorry, after fixing on site here, to get the data, what I need to do, that I need to change the existing record value as well for on-site job location with the correct spelling. Okay, so this is how you should approach this issue and how you will fix it. Now let's talk about the feature that we need to implement. Okay, so let's go to the home page, and for example, just undo the thing, you need to fix it. Okay, so let's remove it, refresh the page, and click on the on-site job. We are getting everything fine. Okay, and now let's go to the company name space. company jobs. Okay, and here you will see that this is my post new job form. Okay, when I click on this, you will see that I am getting this form here. So here I'm missing one attribute that I need to add into the job model. Okay, because whenever you post a job should be either with some status, either it is active, either it is draft, or either it is inactive. Okay, so draft job means that you have to do something with the job and you will publish that job later in the future. Okay, and inactive job means that you created a job to for application from the job seekers, and now that job becomes inactive. Okay, for particular position. And active job means that it should be visible on the portal, and job seekers can search that job and apply on that job. Okay, so for that we need to add a job status attribute in the job model. Okay, so the feature is that you need to add the job attribute, sorry, status attribute in the job. Okay, and that status could have only three values: either it is active, either it is inactive, or either it is draft. Okay, so that will be the feature that you need to work on. Okay, so in this lecture we discussed two tasks. One is issue fix and one is the task that you need to work on. So the what is the issue? That issue is fix the on-site typo. Let me type here as well, so you can also get the issues in the description of the task. So let me type on the blank sheet, so you will get here that fix the typo for on site across the application. Okay, make it on site, not only in the front end but in the back end as well, and for the existing records as well. Okay, now the task number two is add a status attribute to the job model, and it can have one of three values from, let's say, active, inactive, and then draft. Okay, so these are the two tasks you need to work on. And when you display this status field into the job form, what you need to do, that you need to do something like that. Okay, in the job location here you can see I'm saying remote and on site. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to display a drop down here like job status, and then from that status one can select active, inactive, and let's say draft. Okay, so these are the two tasks that you need to work on and you need to perform. Okay, so just go through the lecture and try to understand the task, and if you have any difficulties with the task, you can put in the comment section and I will provide the clarification to you. Okay, and from upcoming lectures I will try to keep documentation for the issue or the task that I'm providing you, so it would be better for the future reference as well, or I can create the issue for on the GitHub repository as well for this project. Okay, so for now just look around these two tasks and try to fix it, and we will meet into the next lecture that how I will fix this. Okay, so thanks for watching this and happy learning. We will meet into the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, and stay safe.